Kapag mabigat ang inyong mga dinadala, kayo ay pasan ang mundo. Pero huwag kayong maglala, kahit pasanin nyo ang mundo, marami naman kayong sasandalang mga pader tulad nito. Lalong na ito ay kulay pink.
Init. Sobrang summer. Umaangat yung puwet. Umaangat po ang puwet ng Wigo kapag naka-handbrake at kapag nag-reverse. U-turn. Mas maano sa U-turn. Yan, ibababitya pa. Gamit si Soned. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog. Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Here we go again. Night ride. Fetching my imaginary friend, and we're going to the edge of our little village here, and we're okay, going zigzagging to the parking areas of our neighborhoods because they don't have any garage. We too don't have any garage. Yeah, Papa Pizza Pie. Yeah, here we go. Night ride with a night vlog. All that in the intersection, and I don't see any. We have a shaky camera. Is this the English night or what? Yeah, we're okay and alright. You have to maintain eco mode at the moment because having eco mode saves you gas. Of course. That's what they do. That's what they claim. Is it true that when you always have eco mode on your car, it really activates that economical consumption of your gas? That's what I really have some questions about, because it's nighttime and I'm just being funny out of myself here. But anyway, we'll have on eco mode right there, the eco boost, and it's really on eco. Anyway, let's just wait for it. We have a shaky camera today, you know. Very humid. It's hot. It feels hot in the day and it's very humid at night, both of which is also hot. Right, we've got to shine it up like this one. Park here. It should be it at the moment. Don't want any lighting condition. It's a nonsense vlog. I'm really didn't have the joyful thing to speak in English, but don't have any topic. You know that this sound is really annoying when it's on. Yep. Welcome to our show.
Video na naman yan.
Welcome to our show. It's a night show and we have a special guest and we are having U-turn. Yeah. You cannot see her because she's out of focus in the camera because she is an imaginary friend. We're going home. Yeah. Welcome to the night fetching of your loved ones during at night and no traffic. That's the advantage of there's no traffic. That's very dangerous. She doesn't wear any seatbelts. The car is not complaining. How's that? The car is not complaining. There might be some broken things or what. Now there's seatbelt warning. We really have a shaky camera. This is just a test broadcast. Intersection, and everybody's really hating each other in the intersection. Who's gonna be the first one to go or not? Yeah. And we have a really silent type girl here.
Wala akong tako yun. Pero libre mo naman ako sa Dear Joe.
Wow, Dear Joe!
Yun na, ito.
Since when?
Wala. Hindi talaga matupad.
This night?
Friday night.
Friday night. Okay.
Talaga.
I'm not.
Record. Baboy!
Yeah. Not in the air.
Gabi. Libre.
I don't-
Libre. Pag nag-DJ. Tawa ka dyan.
You have to pay your services, of course.
Pusa doon. Put.
Oh,
Oh, Miming. Put-putan mo nga.
no! He got run over. Yeah. He's dead. Dying.
Dahil na?
Yeah, he's been hit.
Ah.
Been hit by a car or something. He has blood in her face. Gross. Poor cat.
Wow.
Yeah. But I didn't hit anything a while ago when I come out. It wasn't me. I'm sure it wasn't me. There's no cats I saw. Only now. Okay. The little night vlog. If you haven't subscribed to our Understandable YouTube channel where everybody and don't understand it, only me, just put the subscribe button there and hit the dislike button 2 times. Yeah, bye-bye, pizza pa. That's how we are on the side of
Gusto
the
ko,
road.
buti na lang nakauwi na ako. Alam mo, may meeting pa daw. Ayoko na nga.
During na. Tapos hanggang ano oras mo tatapos
Hindi ko
yun?
alam yun. Sabi
Pero
ko sa...
tapos walang OT. Walang OT! Ayan! Walang OT! Walang OT! Nandito na nga ako ang ating mga marites. Mga marites na pusa. Nag-aaway sila kung ano ang view nila na unahan at makakarinig ng mga chismisan. Yan ang mga marites na pusa ngayong umaga.
Kaya kitang-kita, meron tayong ibon na nandyan. Kakaiba po itong ibon na ito. Ito po ay hindi matatagpuan dito. Hindi natin alam ang pangalan. Kaya malalakas po ang mga lipad niyan. Pero namamayagpag sa Manila Bay. Saan na kaya sila dadapo kung lahat ito ay magiging lupa, no? Dito po ay sangsang ang amoy dahil baliktad ang hangin galing doon sa dagat. May ako ay naglalakad dito. Dito po kami nagpark ng spaceship ko yan sa likod. Kami po naglalakad. Mga alien. At alien sa inyo. Alien. Another tumatambay na mga bird, di ba? Isang bird. Ganun marami sila doon nakatambay. Ngayon, isa na lang siya. Unusual bird na naman. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano na lang. We're practicing our vlog today. What's our agenda right now? And we're walking again. And
You're mine.
there's a lot of imaginary voices around me right now, and it's so little windy today. Little windy. What kind of proposition is that? Little windy. And my front camera is really blurred. I don't like the camera anymore of the cell phone.
Next time I have to wear the proper outfit. I have to wear my rubber shoes.
Rubber shoes.
Yeah. Saka sa yung chinelas.
You want helmet, knee pads, elbow pads. Where are you going? Going ski with a plus of this goggles and some PPEs around your neck, just to avoid any injury, right? So what are we doing here? We're just sweating off our pants and nothing to do but walk through the 1 kilometer away and then 1 kilometer going back again, and then later on we'll sleep, take a bath, shower, something else, and they change our clothes and watch all the little things there. Those are not little things. There are cows. Before they were running around here. They were really running around, and it's kind of scary because there's no lights here. Now it's full of lights, nice visibility.
Iba ako.